5 Easy Programming Languages to Learn. C. One of the longest-standing programming languages, C is a general-purpose language that's very popular and flexible in its use. It is often used to write applications and operating systems, and can offer a great base of knowledge for other coding languages. Why it's easy to learn. Unlike other code with upwards of 50 to 60 plus keywords, C only uses 32 keywords, making it a simple syntax language. Since it has been around for so long, any problem you want to solve, C will also have a solution online, making it easy to cross-check and compare your work. Ruby. A high-level programming language, Ruby is also general-purpose and is highly portable. It's great for building desktop apps, static websites, and more. It can even be used for web scraping and crawling, important for SEO and indexing websites. Why it's easy to learn. Ruby is designed for productivity and fun. Like Python and C, Ruby has a simple syntax, making it one of the easier programming languages to learn. While the language is great for beginners to learn, it can become more complex as you try executing more fanciful commands. It may be easy to learn, but it is difficult to master. Java. Java is another long-standing coding language. It has been around since 1995. One of the first and most famous coding languages in the world, Java uses classes and objects to execute commands, and is based on C. This language has many uses such as apps, servers, and games. Why it's easy to learn. Java is well-structured and object-oriented, providing a solid framework that makes it an easy-to-learn coding language for beginners. As such a widespread programming language, Java has lots of resources for new learners. JavaScript. JavaScript is a text-based scripting language that can be used to create dynamic, interactive website content such as search bars, image carousels, zoom abilities, and the ability to use hamburger menus, on-site animations, and on-page audio-video. Alongside HTML and CSS, JavaScript is one of the core technologies of the Internet. Why it's easy to learn. JavaScript is a high-level interpreted language that can be easily picked up and tested directly in your web browser, using the inspect element. You can change small pieces of code at a time in inspect and see how it changes the elements of the page you are on. And last but not least, Python. Python is a high-level programming language that's more for general purposes. It's one of the most popular programming languages globally and can be used to build websites and software, automate tasks, and conduct data analysis. Why it's easy to learn. This coding language is easy to use for both programmers and non-programmers. It uses a simple syntax which mimics natural language, making it easier to read and understand than other code. It's also open source and has a large, active community who contribute to its pool of libraries, offering a great resource to new learners. How to decide which programming language to learn. It's important to consider what you want to learn programming for. Certain jobs and fields use different programming languages, so understand what you'll need for your career goals. If you're simply looking to learn coding on the side as a hobby, look for something that's pretty universal, has a lot of resources for beginners, and can help you do things that you're interested in. For example, if you're a web designer or are interested in getting into that field, CSS is a good programming language to learn because it can help you style and lay out web pages. Alternatively, if you're looking to become a software developer for a tech company, JavaScript and React are important languages to learn. If you're new to the world of programming, Python is the best coding language to start with. It's a beginner-friendly code with a simplified syntax, using fewer lines than other coding languages, making it easy to read, understand, and use. Python is a general-purpose language that's good for a variety of uses, including building websites, developing software, automating tasks, data analysis, AI and machine learning, programming applications, game development, 2D design. Not only is Python easy to pick up, compared to other coding languages, it's an open-source language, which means that there's a large and thriving community where everybody can work on and contribute to projects and libraries. In fact, there are an estimated 8 million Python developers, giving you a worldwide network when learning this language. Once you're ready to put your skills to the test, why not start by creating a Mad Libs game or web scraper? These are both great beginner Python projects to tackle.